Welcome to my DIY Masquerade mask tutorial, where I unleash all of my creativity to make this stunning mask. So today I'll show you how to create your very own stunning mask at home. It's really simple. All I did was use a bunch of scraps that I had. So let's go. Let's get started, and I'll show you exactly how I created this. I began by freehanding my Masquerade mask on a piece of cardboard that was actually the cover of one of my sketchbooks, and I folded it in half and cut it out with an X-Acto knife so that it's symmetrical on both sides. Now, if you can't freehand your own Masquerade mask, go ahead and Google Masquerade mask template, and there's so many different options that you can print out and use to trace onto your cardboard. Next, I tried it on my face just to see what kind of adjustments it needed, and I felt that I was going to make the eye holes just a little bigger. Of course, anything goes here because this is a completely free-handed mask. As I tried it on my face, I decided it needed a nose piece. So with this leftover cardboard, what I'm going to do is create a piece where the mask can actually rest on my nose. Using the edge of my table, I'm going to just give this mask a little bit of a rounded shape here. And my nose piece fits perfectly on this mask, so I'm just going to hot glue it on using the tabs for the attaching. This is the part that took me the longest, going through all of my materials to see what kind of mask I wanted. And this is the part where your creativity helps you. I went ahead and started gluing some of this beaded trim to the bottom of the mask. So I've decided to use 2 shades of glitter, and I painted Mod Podge all over the front of the mask. And my next step is actually just pouring the glitter all over the Mod Podge and allowing it to dry. And it did take a few hours to dry. Now that my Mod Podge is all dry, I'm going to hot glue this trim all around the mask because it really cleans it up, aside from looking very Venetian, and it adds that final clean touch. Next, I'm going to create the extra dazzle right in the center there with all my extra scraps. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified every time I come out with a new and creative tutorial. With this scrap piece of tulle, I'm going to use my needle and thread and just sew a running stitch sort of close to the bottom, quick, simple. Even I should call it a basting stitch, and I'm going to pull and it's going to scrunch the tulle all together. So I have this nice fan shape here. I didn't even need to sew in a straight line, just in and out, right across, pull it together, scrunched. Real quick and simple. And now I'm going to close it off here with an end off knot so it stays together. With that same sewing technique, I'm going to run my needle and thread right through this stretchy lace here so I get another sort of fancy lace fan. And now it's all about the hot glue and placing all of the pieces in place. I needed something in the center, so I looked through my pieces of broken things, and this is a broken piece of an earring, and it's just perfect. You see why I save these things? And my last step is to attach this elastic. You don't have to use elastic, you could even use ribbon, but I like the elastic because it gives that extra comfort. And I'm going to tie it in the back. And there you have it, my very own masquerade mask, ready to dazzle everyone. So I really hope that this tutorial inspired you and that you let your creativity shine as you make your own masquerade mask. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other tutorials right up here on the screen. Thanks so much for watching.